All right, in lesson 12, we learn about double number line diagrams, and we talk about ratios as well. So I'm just going to do an example problem because I think it's the easiest way to introduce what a double number line diagram looks like. While shopping, Kyla found a dress that she would like to purchase, but it cost $52.25 more than she has. Kyla charges $5.50 an hour for babysitting. She wants to figure out how many hours she must babysit to earn $52.25 to buy the dress. Use a double number line to support your answer. I like to think of a double number line kind of like a ruler. On one side you have inches, and on the other side you have centimeters, but you can easily see how many centimeters is equal to how many inches. So if we have a number line, and I'm going to draw a nice straight line. And double number lines are called double because they have two. And just like a ruler, one side has different measurements than the other side. So in this case, the first side is going to be each hour that she's babysitting. So after 1 hour, she makes $5.50. At 2 hours, she's going to make $11. At 3 hours, $15.50. At 4 hours, $21. 5 hours, it's going to make $26.50. At 6 hours, $32. And now we're up to the point where I'm running out of a little of room. So as you can see, this method isn't always foolproof. Sometimes it goes on for a long time, but for something that's a little shorter to answer, this could be a very good method. Now we don't always, what I wanted to point out here is that we don't always have to show every single hour. We can skip around a little bit and make up for that. So if I kept going, it's probably going to be at roughly 6 or 7 more numbers. So what I'm going to do is, let me erase the ink on the page. And I'm going to start out at 1, and that's $5.50. And instead of going by ones on the top, I can go by any number I want. So I'm going to skip a little space and let's go to 5. And I know that, come up to the bottom here, 5 times $5.50 would be $27.50. Okay, and you want to pick some easy ones to do. I'm going to skip a little space, and I know that 10 is 550 times 10 would be $55. So I know 55 is over what she needs. So let's go down to 9 and see if that works. So I'm going to come off to the bottom here and do $5.50 times 9. Right, $49.50. So without doing too much calculation, just a few multiplication problems, I'm going to get that for 9 hours she's making $49.50. That's not quite enough for the dress, so she has to work 10 hours in order to pay for her dress. So instead of going by ones, you can pick your numbers. You can use the value of the ratio. You can use your unit rate, which is $5.50 per hour, to figure out how many hours she must work. And that's all a double number line diagram is. It's just like a ratio table. You're doing the same, you're doing different units on the top and the bottom and writing where they meet.